Welcome to Natural Elements Aromatherapy and experience the many benefits of 100% pure and natural essential oils for your health and wellness. My name is Horolin and I am a certified aromatherapist. The heat-free benefits of the ultrasonic diffuser breaks down essential oils and water into tiny microparticles and disperses in the air into fine aroma mists, and this penetrates the air effectively, absorbs easily, and optimizes the therapeutic benefits of natural and essential oils. This method is 100% chemical-free, natural, and safe, unlike your plug-in air fresheners that you find in the supermarket, which contains alcohol, fragrance oil, and toxic. Natural Elements Aromatherapy comes with two types of ultrasonic diffuser, the Mini Diffuser and the Ambient Diffuser. The Mini Diffuser is the perfect companion for your wellness at home, office, or even when you are traveling. Small and portable yet powerful, it is convenient with a 2-hour diffusion. It meets your need anytime and anywhere. It can be powered by a power bank or your laptop. Both the ultrasonic diffusers can be used with your essential oils or essential oil blends of your choice. Now let's unbox the ultrasonic diffusers and I'll show you how to use it one by one. Inside the box you will find a user manual, a USB power cable, and the mini diffuser. Now I'm going to show you how to use your mini diffuser. Turn your diffuser upside down, take the power cable and plug it into the DC port. Click it. There is a little bracket to ensure the power cable sits properly. Use a pen, push it down. That sits well. And this ensures the diffuser sits flat on the counter. We will now plug into a USB port or a laptop for power. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to use your mini diffuser. To remove the cover, twist it anti-clockwise. We are going to fill it up with water. You can use any measuring cup that you have at home. The diffuser takes between 30 to 60 ml of water. So make sure you do not exceed the maximum level because this will cause spillage. So this is the minimum and this is the maximum level. For the purpose of this demonstration, I am using the lemongrass essential oil. This essential oil acts as an anti-repellent for insects and mosquitoes. It also has a wonderful refreshing scent and is energizing. It takes time for essential oils to drop, so you will have to wait for it, yes? Okay, let's count together. I'm going to use 6 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. To close, make sure the cover sits comfortably. Never force and then turn it anti-clockwise again so that the 2 points meet. The mini diffuser comes with 4 time options. To switch on, press the mist button once and this lights up for 30 minutes. If you press it the second time, it gives you 60 minutes, the third time 120 minutes, and the fourth time 180 minutes. You can see the mist being diffused into the air. I can already smell this essential oils. It smells beautiful. To switch on the light button, simply press it once. If you press it the second time, it then dims the light. To To switch off your mini diffuser, all you have to do is hold the mist button, and that switches off the diffuser. Some of the benefits of the ultrasonic diffuser is it creates a natural aromatic atmosphere. It's chemical free, it purifies the environment, it minimizes pollutants, it is heat free for greater therapeutic benefits. It moisturizes your skin from drying effects of air conditioning. It has an auto shut feature when it's waterless. It is also has calming mood lights and a time option to create the ambience you desire. And the best thing is you don't use any candles to prevent any fire hazard. I hope you enjoyed this session. I look forward to seeing you again. From all of us at Natural Elements Aromatherapy, stay safe when living well matters. Fragrant blessings.